wish it was a natural extension, but it's not. It's a fully done up one.
Eka, how many bike rides have you been in the past? Which have
First time.
the first one?
This actually is my first time.
So ऐसा क्या मतलब वरुण ने किस तरीके से कन्विंस किया कि आपने वरुण को हाका और why वरुण हो गया?
Because ये दिखता है स्वामी टाइप का, पर ये है बड़ा.
हर्रामी टाइप का. I think इसलिए
Guys, you all
मान
know
लो.
the line. हरामी टाइप का है.
Okay, then one song that you'd like to probably, dedicate this, this bike ride to some music that might have played despite the Hanuman Chalisa being, recited while she sat behind you. What
It's his song only. It's his song only.
But एक गाना जो हम bike rides पे.
You mean like some song that suits a bike ride?
Yeah,
like,
something like that.
Something like a long journey and stuff. But this was not such a long journey. It was very lot of
like a long
traffic.
journey, never-
There was
It
a lot of
felt
traffic.
like it felt like a long journey. It felt like
It
I
was
was
10 kilometers per
about to
hour
fall off.
journey. 48 frames. People will feel I've shot this in 48 frames. You have no idea.
No, but you haven't come up with the song yet.
You haven't come up with a song,
But
but
why
I
not
think
बेशर्मी की height
yeah, I think Besharmi ki height suits
All
it.
night बेशर्मी की
We
height.
shot Besharmi ki height right here in Kalia Maidan also.
On this some bike also.
Yeah, one of these bikes.
वैसे पब्लिक अपीयरेंस को कितना एंजॉय करते हैं या बहुत हैक्टिक समझते हैं?
No, I think I lap it up. To be very honest, I think Ekta and we were just discussing right now on the van that how promotions बहुत hectic हो गए and an actor needs to go out there and people need to see that you made a film. But I think जब भी मैं खुले में आता हूँ, जब मैं public appearance बनाता हूँ and if I see crowd, if I see people and if they're looking at me to entertain them, then I think अचानक से मुझ में energy आ जाती है जो मेरी आँखें ऐसे थकी ऐसे अचानक से because I think that's what you're an actor for, to perform for people.
You can't say no to fans also. I think we saw one auntie coming.
Yeah.
You gave her a ride. That was not even planned. So
That was not a planned thing, but I
think she forcefully.
No, she was definitely not a contest winner. but
What was she?
I don't know. She wanted to be dropped to a bus stop. She said, but that's cool. Yeah, I think why not?
Cute.
I think the whole rally that we planned in all cities, and this was Ekta's idea, is about women power, and it's about showing empowerment of women and why can't they ride? And you see all these beautiful girls who rode with me and they did such a good job, And I think hopefully like a lot of people who say that women are bad drivers will change their mind after this. Because I think they were very smooth and though there was so much press and so many people blocking them, they still managed to ride really well.
But in real life, have you ever given lift to anybody, koi achhi, beautiful girl standing on the,
Not a beautiful girl. I gave one girl a lift, but it was not a, I mean, I don't know whether, I got a little scared after that. It wasn't a very good experience.
I mean,
She was a little older person, she needed help or something. She seemed like she needed help. And it just didn't go down very well. I'm not going to say what happened, but it didn't go down well.
Sounds really psycho, but whatever.
Yeah,
we're very curious now.
it's
what
a good
happened.
character. I think it's a good character. You
Yeah?
have to make it.
Okay, did you get molested?
No, nothing like that. No, nothing. It's not like a, nothing in that zone. It was more like she had some issues. And
एक तो वरुण के अलावा आप किसी और के साथ बाइक पे बैठने का मौका मिला तो किसके साथ जाएंगे?
आपके साथ?
नहीं मेरे लाइफ में एक बात बताऊं मैंने आई एम वन मैन बाइक वुमन
One man bike woman.
सो ऑटोमेटिकली वरुण ही और वरुण के
Did you-
क्या खत्म हो गई
Did you sit
ये
with
मेरी
Sunny?
कहानी खत्म हो
Did
गई
you sit with Sunny Leone in the rickshaw?
इन रिक्शा आर यू मैड नो
No?
यू वांट टू
No, with Sunny.
या शी फाइंड्स यू क्यूट बाय द वे
क्या बोलूं मैं अभी? I mean,
शी टोल्ड मी शी वाज वेरी क्यूट
even she's very cute.
चलो नेक्स्ट बाइक राइड इज
Last
सनी
4 days left for the release now. 4 days left for the release. So, any more interesting promotions like this? We see you more on the road like this, or
We are going to become journalists next and follow you guys home and then
would
see
love
what's going to
that.
happen.
Find
So I think
banana.
I think now I know we're on the last leg and April 4th I think the film becomes the audience's and then the audience decides what to do with it. You surrender the film to the audience. But I think that this film I've been pushed by two people. One is my father and one is Ekta Kapoor. I think they both share one thing in common, which is passion for films. And very honestly, most of the things that I've done today, I would have never been able to do them. Nobody would have orchestrated them or let me do them. I think if Ekta wasn't there. I have many random, weird ideas which people don't listen to. I think Ekta is one such person who, told me what you want to do, how you want to do.
A cuter guy than Varun. I think he can sell ice cream to an Eskimo. Forget riding a bike. If you told me to go to the moon with him, I'd go. He's so cute.
Done?
That's it. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Thank you.